Hi, I'm Dwayne Jones. I'm the Director of Operations for the Eagle Mountain Saginaw ISD. I'd like to go over a few of the changes and modifications that we've made to our cleaning and disinfecting protocols for this coming school year in response to COVID-19. For starters, we've modified the custodial staff work hours so that we can have more staff at the campuses throughout the day, since there will be increased cleaning and disinfecting of high touch and high traffic areas like bathrooms, handrails, doorknobs, that type of thing. So we want more staff there during the day. Next is every campus has been supplied or equipped with an electrostatic sprayer. This sprayer will be used nightly by the custodial staff. So in addition to the cleaning we do throughout the day, every campus will be disinfected using this electrostatic sprayer nightly. Larger areas such as athletics, fine arts, band, they also have a different type of sprayer, but they'll be using those sprayers throughout the day as well, since they have a larger area, and they'll be able to use that in between class periods. Lastly, hand sanitizing stations have been installed at every main entry point going into the campus. We've also provided each campus with several portable hand sanitizer stations that they can move about as needed to meetings or gatherings. So they have that capability as well. As we've all seen over the last couple of months, things change rapidly, so we will respond accordingly, and we'll make modifications to all these processes as they come up. Let's make it a great year. Thank you.